All right, guys, so today we're talking about making more money in 2025. And as you can see by the title, you got to get online. Trust me, listen to this video. This is something that I did. I have a lot of experience with this, and it literally changed my life. Literally. I now work for myself because of this, what I'm going to talk about in this video. So I'm not going to waste your time. We're going to get straight into it. If you want to make more money, or maybe you just need extra income. I know that's the case with a lot of people. Just the job isn't paying enough and you need extra money. So really tap in, because this I think it could change your life, because it changed my life. And what you got to do is you got to get online and start creating content. And I know a lot of you are going to hear that. And you're going to be like, I can't do that. I can't do that. I'm scared to get on camera. Listen up, y'all. Content creation is changing, and what people are consuming is changing. Like, I've even noticed that people like more of the real type of content. So the game has changed, right? So I think it's more opportunities for people, and people who may not be the most confident talking on camera, or you just feel like that's not your thing. It's changed to where you can do it, because you don't have to be fancy anymore, right? People want this more real content, so it's more opportunities. Because I would even say for people who feel like they don't have a lot going on, I know I used to feel like that. It's like, what am I gonna create content about? What am I gonna post online? Like, I'm just a normal guy. I don't really have anything going on. But people are liking this content. For example, something that does really well is a day in the life of blank. So it could be like a day in the life of a barber, a day in the life of working at Walmart, a day in the life of being a security guard, right? That's the job that I used to do. I worked security. I could have been creating content about that. So these aren't extravagant things, or like I said, you may be thinking like, oh, my job it's basic, it's nothing someone would want to watch, but people do want to watch that content. And for one, man, these people are speeding, driving crazy, man. And for one, that content is relatable, and it's just real life stuff. And I feel like people, they can't connect with that stuff, because there's a lot of people who are just like you, and they're just looking for that type of content to connect with, that's just real life type of stuff. And I just want to give you all a couple examples. And another way is you don't even have to be, I know some people think you have to be successful or have a lot of money or this extravagant life to post online, get online. It's like, no, you could even talk about your journey to whatever goal you have. Maybe you want to become a singer, right? And obviously you're not a singer yet, but you're on that journey, so you can create content about that journey and all the steps, and take people along, because people love to see a journey, and people love to see someone striving to achieve a goal, and they want to know, like, how does this story end? Like, is this person going to reach that goal of becoming a singer? So that right there can keep people tuned into your content. So I don't really think, it's like, I don't think you can make excuses anymore about not getting online and just creating content about your daily life. I mean, I said it before, like in a previous video, your content is your life, right? So I'm trying to even infuse more of that into my channel. Like, even right now, I'm going to the gym. I have a little tripod, and I'm just recording. Like, this is my everyday life of going to the gym. I do want to start vlogging more and showing more of like a day in a life type, but this is part of what I'm doing right now. And I'm creating content while I'm doing this, and this is generating me money, right? And growing my brand online. And the thing about this whole getting online and creating content is, this is the new wave, man. Like, this is the new way of making money. Like, this is a legit way to make money. And in a lot of cases, like, a lot of people are getting rich. Think about that, man. I know y'all see it. I know I'm not the only one to see it. People are getting rich behind just sharing content about their life, right? And it's not just famous people, it's just normal everyday people. Like I said, people are posting about their struggles. People are posting about being a barber, being a mom, just things that they're already doing in their everyday life. And Just even in some cases, people talk about their jobs and kind of taking people along and vlogging about their day-to-day at their job. So this is the new wave, and it's only going to keep growing. And I just wanted to make this video to tell you, this is a legit way to make money. Like, it's not a joke. When you see this now, because a lot of people are talking about it, it's not a joke, y'all. You can, if you do this the right way, you can eventually quit your 9-to-5 job. Right? Now, I do other stuff as well, so I just want to be clear with that. I don't just create content. I have services and things like that, but a big part of my business and what I do is revolved around creating content. I create content for brands, businesses. I create content for YouTube. I have other YouTube channels, and I also create content for Amazon. So that is my life. Like almost every day, I'm creating content. If it's not on YouTube, it's for Amazon. If it's not for Amazon, it's for a business or a brand. And the thing that I really want to drive home with this online space and getting into content creation, this freaking lighting is bad, hopefully it's not too bad, is you are creating digital assets. That's the key, y'all. You're creating things that have monetary value. You're creating things that make you money and can consistently make you money even in the future. So you can create it once and it continues to make you money. And that's been the case with me, like with YouTube channels and content that I've created for other platforms. These things are digital assets that I built that have a lot of value, specifically with money. So it doesn't even have to be a YouTube channel. It could be a blog. It could be some type of social platform. It could be a website. These are all digital assets that have monetary value. And think about it, y'all. You could even, like, once you've built up these things, you can start to leverage these things to get into other stuff and make more money, right? So something I've done is leverage my YouTube channel. So people will want to partner with me as far as brand sponsorships, and people want to sponsor videos on my channel. So that's something that came from me building up this digital asset. And now because of that and how much I built it, other people want to work with me and pay me because of this asset that I built. You see what I'm saying? So that's something that I've noticed and something that I've really seen, like the power of this online space and building up these digital assets. They have so much value. They can open up other lanes and forms of income. And with some of them, it does take time. They do take time to build. I want to be real with you. Now I feel like you can build stuff even faster with the way that social media is changing. But once you build them up, they just make money. Like my YouTube channel makes money every day, right? I have a YouTube channel I'm working on right now that I'm trying to get monetized, and that'll be making me money every day. Well, it already makes me money every day from affiliate marketing, but I'll start to make money from the ads, right? I've even done brand partnerships. This is a small channel, y'all. The one I'm talking about, I just have 400 something subscribers, already making hundreds of dollars, sometimes even in the thousands a month. And that's going to be even more once I get the channel monetized. Once again, building up multiple digital assets. This lighting is bad. Hopefully y'all don't mind. Anyways, listen to the message. Like I said, and something else, y'all, you can even, once you build up these digital assets, you can even sell these things. I've seen people do that. They build up a big blog and then they sell it. I've seen people buy YouTube channels. I've seen it even on Upwork. People will say they're looking to buy a monetized YouTube channel. This is crazy. I've seen people they're selling social media, I said social. They're selling social media platforms. So they'll grow up the platform and then they'll sell it. Because some people are looking for like platforms that have a certain amount of followers, or certain channels that have a certain amount of subscribers, or the channel's already monetized. So they don't want to build it. They want someone else to build it. Then they want to buy it and do whatever they want to do with it. So that's another way that you can leverage building up these digital assets. You could sell it in the future. I could sell my channel if I wanted to. If I ever got in a tough situation, I needed money, I could sell my channel. I don't know exactly how much it's worth, but almost 30K subscribers, I'm pretty sure I could get a good lick from that. So this online space is crazy. And this is why I talk about it, because like I'm living it now and I see the power of it. I see not just the power of it now and what it's doing for me, but I see the potential of it in the future. And content creation is the new wave. If you want to keep up, man, if you want to potentially change your life, if you want to create a legit side income and you're already working, maybe you need to pay off some debt, whatever it is, get into the online game. Start posting online. Even if you have a business, like an in-person business, you're going to get left behind if you don't start getting online and posting content. Because the businesses in person that are getting online and creating content, those are the ones that are thriving, and I feel like they're going to have more success in the future, because video is the future. Listen up, people watch more like content in YouTube and TikTok. My son's always watching TikTok, and they watch all this stuff more than they watch cable. I literally watch YouTube more than I watch TV. Think about that, y'all. So it's immersing yourself in the way that the world is heading. So knowing these things lets you know, like for me at least, it's like, man, I got to get online, because this is what people are liking. This is what people are consuming. I'll leave y'all with this. This is a big deal for me. This is not a flex. This is all motivation. And I want you to truly want people to see what's possible. I used to didn't think this stuff was possible. I used to always think, how are people doing this? Now I'm actually doing it. I've been doing it for the past years, right? In the last 30 days from, and it's busy season, but from Amazon, which I create content for that platform, I probably made over $6,000. Think about that. To me, that's a good amount of money from just creating content, right? It shows me the potential of it. And when I first did it, it wasn't that, obviously. You know, when I first started, it was just 100 here, 100 there. But to see that grow to 6,000 is like, oh my God, this is crazy. So what's it going to be like next year? When I have more videos and I'm creating more content, I get better at creating the content and seeing what works. Once again, this is building up a digital asset, and brands and businesses see that platform and they want me to create content for their products. So think about this. See the links, see how all this stuff is connected, see how all this stuff can, hopefully you see how it expands to other revenue streams and making more money. Hopefully this is making sense to you. Content is the new wave. I know some people are old school. They think of like just the physical stuff, like going out and doing physical labor and stuff like that. Don't sleep on this digital space, man. I'm telling you, man. I used to tell my coworker about this, like how much I was making from stuff, and he was like, "What the heck?" He's more old school. He was like, "What the heck?" Like he was like, "Are you serious?" I'm like, "Yes." Like I've literally made this much from like creating content, like just putting myself out there on video. And he was like, wow. And this is a successful guy with a good amount of money. So I opened up his eyes to like what people are doing, because he's old school. He didn't know, like, hey man, people are monetizing these social media platforms and creating digital assets that consistently make them money and can make them money like 20 years from now. So hey man, if you don't want to listen to me, don't listen to me. Don't listen, but I'm telling you the game right now. This is the future. This is what I'm doing. This is what I will continue to do. This is the new wave. You got to get in on it. If you want to make some more money, hey, I know one thing people want to do is make more money. And I'm legit telling you how to do it on this channel. So free game, man. If you don't want to listen, oh well, but I tried to help you. That's all I can do. But we're going to wrap this up, man. I got this chest day today. Mondays are chest day. Yeah, I love hitting chest. I got my snacks, my pre-workout, man. We about to get it in. Listen up, man. I have digital assets making me money right now while I'm working out. I'm about to go to the gym, work out while I'm making money right now. Think about that. Do you want to do that? You can do it. You just got to tap into this online game, this content creation game. You could be doing other stuff, right? We're having a Christmas party tomorrow, and I'm going to be making money. I'm going to wake up, look on my phone, and see how much money I made from all these digital assets I built while we having fun at the Christmas party. It's possible, guys, and I'm here to show you that and to help you and to guide you. Hopefully you got value from this. If you did, drop it a like, subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more content, I'll see y'all in my next video. Hopefully y'all have a great Christmas. I'm uploading this around Christmas time. Hopefully y'all have a great Christmas with your family. Be blessed, be thankful, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.